Hi! Are you thinking about applying to Nyenrode Business University? Here are 5 essentials, do's and don'ts to help you get admitted. Think about your future. Reflect on your goals and how your studies will align with them. Consider your non-negotiables when choosing your education. Envision where you would like to be in the future and let that decision guide you.
Don't make the decision because of someone else. Choose your path based on what you want, not what others expect. Remember, it's your future at stake, not theirs.
Do your research. Explore all of your options. Attend open days, compare curriculums, and use platforms that integrate information from different universities. This way, you can make an informed decision.
Don't get intimidated by the admission process. It might seem daunting, but if you really value your future, it's worth it. And trust us, it's not as hard as it seems.
Get out of your comfort zone. Growth happens when you are uncomfortable. Be courageous, push your boundaries, and think about how stepping out of your comfort zone will benefit you in the long run.
Don't leave things for the last minute. Don't procrastinate. Plan ahead and stay organized with your application. The sooner you know whether you've been accepted or not, the less stress you'll have later on.
Focus on your motivation. We often value motivation more than grades. Write a genuine motivation letter that resonates with Nyenrode's values. Do your research, remember to be yourself, and let your passion shine through.
Don't do this alone. While the decision is ultimately yours, seek advice from your parents, friends, program advisors. Ask questions during open days and get as much clarity as possible.
Have a financial plan. Whether it's personal savings, a loan, or family support, plan ahead. Don't forget to apply to scholarships early. That can make a big difference.
Don't try to impress by being someone you're not. We want to hear your authentic voice. There's no mold you need to fit into. Just be yourself. So good luck with your application and we hope to see you soon at Nyenrode.